Good afternoon, everyone. Today is day one of Blessedmas. It is hosted by At Home with Lisa, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and myself, Design with Emma. And what we're going to be doing is 12 days of Blessedmas. Now, each day we will be doing something different. We will be doing a wreath. We will be making punch today. We're also going to be making a gift box from wood. So we will be doing different things for 12 days. At the end of the 12 days, we will be giving out a cash giveaway. That will be on day 12 and will reflect on all of the 12 days, okay? So I'm gonna do my punch. What we're doing today is a holiday punch. So we're gonna give you some ideas on punch for the holidays that you can serve when entertaining your family. I'm gonna be doing this punch first, then stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. At Home with Lisa will also be doing a punch, and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa will be doing her punch directly after mine, and after Teresa, Lisa will be doing her punch. So we have 3 different punches, holiday punches for you, okay? Blessedmas. To me, Christmas is about the birth of Christ. That's what Christmas is really about. Sometimes we get a little carried away with it, but it's about the birth of Christ. Also, for me, for Christmas, I truly like to give, then receive. I tell my kids all the time, do not buy me anything for Christmas. Spend it on the grandkids. I have what I need. So I try to give on Christmas more so than receive. Okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and get everything together to make this punch. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I have here to make it with, okay? So what we're gonna start with, I have the Ocean Spray cranberry juice. We're gonna use this. I also have the Del Monte pineapple juice. So we're gonna use the pineapple juice and the Tropicana orange juice. So we're gonna use all 3 of these for the punch. I also have an orange, and I'm gonna slice this up to just lay it on the top of the punch. And we have some raspberries. I also will be adding into the punch. Okay. So I'm gonna get some ice to put in my punch bowl here. And then what we'll do is we'll get started on making our punch. Okay? So just hold on. Let me get the ice and then we'll get started. My little bowl here. But I do want to stop to thank At Home with Lisa for making these beautiful shirts for us. It's Blessedmas 2024 with the little Christmas tree. They are very beautiful. Thank you, Lisa, for making us the Blessedmas shirt. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and start with the punch. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my ice. And next, we're gonna do, we're gonna do 4 cups of cranberry juice. Now, I have the Ocean Spray cranberry juice. I don't think it matters what type you use, but I just happen to like the Ocean Spray cranberry juice. So that's the one I'm gonna be using. And we're gonna use 4 cups of it. And first, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice up my oranges. So let's do that first. And then we'll start mixing it. I'm just gonna get a plate here so I can use it to slice up my oranges. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice the orange and make orange slices. I've already washed it. So now we're gonna just slice it up. And what we'll do with this, we'll lay it on top of the punch. These were really nice oranges that I picked up this morning at Kroger's. I also will be having my home tour coming up. I also will be doing a room by room tour. I did do the living room tour, but I have not done the family room, dining room, and kitchen tour. So we will be doing those tours coming up. And also my bathroom, my office tour, and my guest bedroom tour. So we have quite a few tours coming up, and then I'll do a complete home tour. Now, tomorrow will be day 2 of tomorrow will be day 2, and what we will be doing on day 2 of Blessedmas, we will be taking a wooden box and making a Christmas gift out of it, or we will use a wooden box we may already have decorated as a Christmas gift and just style around it. I'm thinking I'm gonna DIY one that I have purchased from the Goodwill. So I'm gonna get these oranges all sliced up here, and then what I will do is lay it on top. So as you can see, I have my orange all sliced up here. So what we'll do, we'll just lay it on top of the punch. Okay, so we're gonna use 4 cups of cranberry juice. And I've already put some ice in here. I did not want to put a whole lot, but I did put some. So let's put 4 cups of cranberry juice. That's 1. And this is a very, very easy punch, you all. So anyone can put it together. If you have a last minute get together going for the Christmas holiday, this will be a great punch to do because it's very quick and very easy. And during the holidays, that's what I like, quick and easy. So that's the 4 cups of cranberry juice. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add 2 cups of orange juice. So I'm gonna shake this up a little bit. Try to open it. So we're gonna add 2 cups of this. And this is the orange juice. And I'm using Tropicana. Okay? How was everyone's Thanksgiving? Ours was really, really nice. We had a lot of people over, so family. A great family get together. So I'm gonna take my ladle and stir this up a little. So now I have my orange and my cranberry juice. And the last thing we're gonna put in here is gonna be our pineapple juice. And we will be doing this, guys, tomorrow at the same time. I will start at 5:20 p.m. Lifestyle Design with Teresa will start at 5:40, and At Home with Lisa will be at 6 p.m. So once you leave here, just stay on because Teresa will be next, and then Lisa will be at 6. Okay? So now I'm gonna add the 1 cup of pineapple juice. This back, and then we'll go in and add our berries and our orange slices. So let me get a spoon for the berries, and we'll spoon those in, and then we'll go ahead and add the oranges. As I was telling you all, this is a very easy punch to make, and it will be great for the holiday. So I'm just gonna put these berries in here. I've already washed these up. And these are the berries that I'm putting in. And I'm just gonna put the whole little package in here. And I did get these at Kroger's. Let me see. It was 6 ounces. It was 6 ounces. As you can see, the little berries are now in there. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the orange slices to the top of it. Let me get some crumbs, and we'll drop the orange slices inside, and then we'll go ahead and see how it tastes. I really think it's gonna be a really nice punch, as I said, for the holidays. And all I've done is slice the oranges, and it really just decorates it. Really, that's what it's about. So I'm just gonna lay them on top. I think I'm gonna do put about 6 of the orange slices in here, because it makes it very colorful. Okay, I'll put 1 more, and you can put more. That's just what I'm gonna do. It's 6. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna give it a little stir, and then we'll see how it came out. I'll let you take a look at it. As you can see, what I'll do is I'll do a separate video to show you what it looks like once the orange slices are in it. But let's give it a taste test and see how it tastes. It really looks good. So we're gonna see what it tastes like. Get a few of those berries in here. That's why I put the whole pack. So when you serve it, you can make sure you get some of the berries in it, okay? So let's see. It is delicious, guys. It is truly delicious. So this would be, as I said, a great punch for the holidays, especially when you're having guests coming over. And I'm gonna take one of these. I'm gonna put it here on the side. And then what you can also do with your oranges, once they've been in there inside the punch, it'll give it that taste. And what you can do is just slice it and put it onto your glass. Okay?